Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're taking a stroll through one of Sydney's most iconic routes, starting right at Townhall, winding down George Street and heading towards the lively Darling Harbour, finishing up near Cockle Bay. Whether you're a local rediscovering your city or a visitor curious about Sydney's layers of history and culture, this walk has something special. It's more than just a path, it's a journey through time and life in the heart of the city. We begin at Sydney Town Hall, a stunning building constructed between the year 1869 and the year 1889. Fun fact, before it became the city's administrative heart, the site was actually Sydney's first burial ground. Imagine all the stories hidden beneath those sandstone walls. From Town Hall, we head down George Street, and right off the bat on our left, there's the Queen Victoria Building, or the QVB. Built between the year 1893 and the year 1898, this elegant structure is a heritage-listed masterpiece, famed for its Romanesque revival architecture. It fills an entire city block and blends a rich history with a modern shopping experience, making it a perfect spot to admire old-world charm alongside today's buzz. As we continue, you can't miss the Sydney Light Rail running along George Street. This wire-free, pedestrian-friendly tram system transformed the area into a vibrant urban boulevard, effortlessly connecting the CBD to the southeast suburbs while making the walk even more enjoyable. As we approach Pyrmont Bridge, one of the world's oldest surviving electrically operated swing bridges, as we cross, look down at Cockle Bay. Known as Tumbalong to the traditional Gadigal people, this small bay and the surrounding Darling Harbour area have always been a meeting place, embracing both First Nations heritage and Sydney's colonial past. Initially called Brickfield Cove by early European settlers due to brick-making activities here, it was later redeveloped into today's Darling Harbour, a vibrant waterfront precinct full of life, entertainment and stunning views. Cockle Bay Wharf, right here, is the beating heart of this zone, bustling with restaurants, bars and a lively atmosphere overlooking the water. Darling Harbour itself was once a crucial industrial port, but was transformed for Australia's bicentenary in the year 1988 into the welcoming, modern space we enjoy today, a magnet for locals and visitors alike. Thanks so much for sticking around until the end. If you found something here that sparked your curiosity or even just made your day a little better, that truly means the world to me. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you won't miss what's coming next. There are plenty more stories and ideas on the way. And hey, I'd love to hear what you think. Drop a comment below, share your thoughts, or just say hi. This community feels alive because of you. Take care, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.